essential computer skill for you to absolutely know about is that you can always install a new operating system on your computer. So this falls into the category, again, of never fear. You can always start over. So if you've been looking at websites you shouldn't be looking at, if you've been downloading software you shouldn't be downloading, if you've been downloading songs and movies and now your system's just chock full of viruses and it's just not working, you can always start over. Never fear. You can always start over. You messed up the settings inside your computer, your operating system, you can always start over. All you got to do is install a new operating system. So this is very similar to a system restore from the recovery partition. If you can, do the system restore because that will install a new operating system. Or if there is no recovery partition with a system restore option for you, then you can always install a new operating system. That would be choice 2, and your computer will be starting over in effect. It will have a brand new operating system. All those viruses, all the illegal things you downloaded, all the bad websites you were looking at, that will all be gone, long lost in history, and your computer will have a new operating system. So installing an OS is an essential computer skill, and we saw how to do this in like this right here, this section 4, essential computer skill, destroying and creating partitions on Udemy. It's under section 5 right here, partitions in Linux OS install. So if you want to see an example of installing an operating system, you can watch that here on Udemy under section 5, partitions in Linux OS install. Sometimes these sections change, but just look for that name. It won't change. To find that, you could hit Control F on your keyboard and do OS install. And it takes you right there, man, because Control F is awesome. Control F is awesome. I love Control F. And so that's an essential computer skill, knowing you can install an operating system.